Hello, listen up. I'm going to make this funny video, and I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to make it for my sister Amy, works at the daycare. Excuse me. And I'm going to make it for my friends I know from the daycare that works with my sister Amy at the FBC Academy in Creedmoor. Yep. And I'm gonna make it for my friends, Caitlin Keene, Anna, April, Monty Lawrence, Carol, and Teresa. Yep. The name of the video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the Can't Stop Sneezing Part 1. Yep. And it's gonna be really, 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 really funny. Yep. When I put it on YouTube. Yep. And this is my video. This is my funny video on my YouTube channel. Okay? And I'm gonna do the Can't Stop Sneezing Part 1 video. Yep. I'm sorry my words got mixed up, okay? I'm sorry. I'm gonna do the sneezing now. It's just gonna be hold on. Blah. It's just gonna be pretend, not for real, just pretend. Yep. And then I'm gonna do the Can't Stop Sneezing Part 1 video. And I'm hold on. Here I go again with my words keeps mixing up. Hold on, let me take my time. Hold on. I'm the one is gonna be doing the that can't stop sneezing. I'm the one is gonna be doing the that sneezing and then I can't stop sneezing. Okay? Watch this. It's gonna be funny. Watch this. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Ow! I hit my head on the desk. Ow! When I was sneezing and I was trying to stop the sneezing and I couldn't stop sneezing. And then I hit my head on the desk. Yep. Hold on. Hold on. I'm something else, and I'm really funny making my funny videos on my YouTube channel. Yep. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Ow! I keep hitting my head on the desk when I sneeze. Ow, that hurt. Ow. Darn, I was sneezing again and then I hit my head on the desk. Jeez, that hurt. No, yep. Ow, that hurt. Well, well, that's my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the Can't Stop Sneezing Part 1, and that was really funny what I did. And then I hit my head on the desk when I was trying to not to stop the sneezing. I couldn't stop sneezing, and then I hit my head on this desk. Yeah, when I was sneezing, and then I hit my head on the desk, and then it hurt. Yeah, it hurt really. Yeah, it was hurting. Yeah, my head was hurting when I hit my head on the desk when I was doing that. Sorry. Well, I'm sorry about that. I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye-bye. Enjoyed watching my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the Can't Stop Sneezing Part 1 video. Okay? I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye-bye. Oh, my head's still hurting when I hit my... Yeah, my head is still hurting when I hit my head on the desk when I was sneezing and I couldn't stop sneezing. Yep. Bye-bye.